couple months ago, a friend of mine and his dump truck were involved in a really serious collision. It's that kind of accident that we all fear. It's the one that we think about. It's the one we have nightmares about. It is literally the biggest fear that every driver has told me that they have. That is being involved in a fatality collision, whether you're at fault or not. Luckily, my friend was not at fault, but he is still faced with the situation of having to prove that it wasn't his fault while dealing with the grief of being involved. Right now, he's dealing with having his entire company scrutinized. Luckily, he had a dash cam that was recording and he was able to turn in that footage at the time of the accident. Now, the situation got me really thinking about what I can do to protect myself and my company in the future in the awful and very rare case that something terrible could happen. I was looking for something that could secure my trucks while parked in the yard because I am planning to move my truck away from my house here soon, so I wanted to make sure that there was something that could protect the truck while it's parked. I wanted to find something that was flexible, that could get multiple angles, that worked well during the day as well as at night. The reason why I wanted to get something with multiple angles is because not everything happens right in front of the truck, and we all know that. After all of my research, this is what I found. I drive a lot, 10 to 14 hours a day, 5 days a week, and sometimes even Saturday. Night shifts, early mornings, back roads, freeways, downtown Seattle, and up in the mountains. I needed something that could handle it all, inside, outside, day and night, and that's when I found this. This is the Vantrue N5S, a 4-channel dash cam with serious spec power. Let's start with what's in the box. Okay, well, the kit, it came with the main camera with the screen, everything to mount it to the vehicle. And this is the rear camera that faces out the back of the vehicle and into the interior. And these are all of the little holders that would hold the cables so that they don't slide around. This is the power cord for the main camera. And then this is the cord that goes between the main camera and the rear camera. This is a separate lens that will go on the front of the dash cam there. Not exactly sure what this is, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. I think this is my favorite part right here. People see that and they're like, oh, I can't mess around. So it looks like you would take this mounting piece and put it on the glass, and then the camera then fits into that. This piece right here, you mount it to the glass, and then you're gonna take the camera and slide the camera right onto it. Oh, at a weird angle, but. And then this camera will be the one facing out. And then this camera on this side is the one facing inside, and this is the screen that you'll be able to see for all of your controls here. Right here on the top is where the rear camera power cord goes out to run back to the rear camera. And this is your inlet for power right here on the mount. Very cool. Out on the road, the N5S records 4 angles at once: 2.7K front, 2K rear, and 2 1080p interior cams, both powered by Sony's Starvis 2 sensors. That means even in rough lighting, you're getting clear, detailed footage. Here's where it really shines: night shots. See how the license plates are clearly readable? The Starvis 2 is doing its job on all 4 channels. If you drive for a living, these dual interior lenses are a game changer. You're covered from both sides. Even when your vehicle is off, the Vantrue N5S keeps watching. Its buffered parking mode records motion or impact and even includes a few seconds before the trigger. Using the app is smooth. Thanks to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi, downloads and previews are fast. You can even upgrade the firmware from your phone. It even responds to voice. No reaching or tapping required. Everything is captured all at once. No blind spots, no excuses. If you're serious about coverage, the Vantrue N5S is hard to beat. 4 cameras, unbeatable night vision, smart features. It's built for today's roads. Vantrue even responds to your voice. No reaching or tapping required. I got everything installed in here, and this is the best I can do because I don't have a rear window. So this setup is gonna be perfect for me, but it's also gonna be perfect for you because you'll have an actual rear window that you can see out of. Take a photo. Lock the video. Show rear camera. It's a side view. Nice. Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Turn off Wi-Fi. Show front camera. Using the app is smooth, thanks to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Downloads and previews are fast. You can even upgrade the firmware from your phone. Okay, turning on the Wi-Fi. Let's see here. Okay, my phone and the Vantrue camera are connected. Okay, connect our device. Yes. Okay, we're connected, it looks like. We're gonna go for our live preview. We have all 4 cameras up on the screen there. We do wanna take a look at our old files here. Okay, SD card. Okay, normal video. I think this here is going to be the video of me walking up to the truck here. Oh, here I come. Me walking up to the truck, coming to get in. I look tiny compared to the hood. Okay, so the download speed is super fast. You just hit the download button, download this file, just like that. Okay, and then the other thing that I learned is you have to push the sync button. You want to sync it to your phone. So when you download it, it downloads it onto the app. If you push the sync button, then it puts it on your phone. And then I can use that file for anything. I can make videos, or I can post it places, or I could, if I wanted to, I could send it to the insurance company. It's super easy. So then let's look at the video of me walking down the hill from the shop. Here I come. Heading down from the house to the truck. Download. It's so simple, so easy to use. The 4 angles is really freaking cool. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna sync it to my phone so I have it. Bam, done. So when you're going into the app to look at your videos, you can look, the SD card folder is what is on the camera only. And then the mobile local folder is stuff that you've already downloaded. And then that's in these files, which makes it super simple and super easy to find. And then from here is where you can, if you already downloaded all of them, you can go back and click on it and then push the sync button to download it onto your phone. It shows you on a map where you were, which is super cool, but also a little bit creepy if like how accurate GPS is, but it's super good for if you were in an accident and you needed to explain exactly what happened, because this map is pretty accurate. What's another interesting thing about the map here is that it also shows where the video starts and stops on the map, which is also kind of cool because each video is only 1 minute long. Check out the Vantrue N5S with the link below. You can also find it on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you've got any questions.